Okay, so we're going to revolve 360 degrees about the x-axis. The area trapped between y equals x squared and y equals x cubed. So when I have a trapped area, that's actually giving me the a and b value by, where they intersect. So if I were to sketch this here, you can see, hopefully, this is, your y equals x squared. And then this is your y equals x cubed, and then it causes a little trapped area in here. And then we're going to rotate that trapped area 360 degrees, which is going to give me like this weird sort of vase shape where it has like this thick shell, but there's like a hole in the middle, although it is attached here. So the first thing I want to do is find the points of intersection. So I can set x squared equal to x cubed, and I'm going to bring them to one side here, and I can factor out an x squared, and I get x minus 1, so I get x equals 0 and x equals 1. So there's my 0 and there's my 1. Okay, so what's going to happen is when I rotate this, I'm going to get... Let's see if I can show this. I'm going to get this shape on the outside, and then on the inside, I get sort of this shape. And then if I subtract them, I should get this sort of, it's really hard to draw, this beveled, rotated, hopefully you can see that. It's almost like a vase or a flute. Okay, so if I subtract those, so I'm going to subtract, so the volume is going to be the volume of the top, rotate it, minus the volume of the bottom, rotate it. And if you don't know which is the top or bottom, you can put absolute value bars, and then that saves you from having to figure that out. All right, so the volume of the top is going to be from 0 to 1, pi y squared dx, this is a formula, and the top graph is the x squared, and then minus 0 to 1 pi x cubed squared dx. So you're subtracting those. Because they are going from the same boundaries, you can put them together. So we can actually say 0 to 1 pi x to the 4th minus pi x to the 6th dx, and then we can integrate. We get pi x to the 5 over 5 minus pi x to the 7 over 7 from 0 to 1. I put a 1 in, I get pi over 5 minus pi over 7. I put a 0 in, and that just gives me 0. Okay, and so then if I get a common denominator, I get 7 pi over 35 minus 5 pi over 35, which gives me 2 pi over 35 units cubed. And because I got a positive answer, I know that I picked the right graph on top. And if I got a negative answer, I could just absolute value it, and it would be because I had picked the wrong graph for the top volume. Okay.